Now we'll move on to question number 45, third subdivision. See here, in the sodium thiosulfate Na2S2O3 with iodine, we are getting Na2S4O6 plus NaI in acid medium. We all know, so acid medium means in the reactant side we have to add H plus, and in the product side there will be the presence of H2O, that is said to be acid medium. See, now we'll go for the solution. See, first in this equation, this S2O3 from this compound and this iodine. Okay, see here, you see, check for the oxidation state. See, now in this reaction, you just check for the oxidation number. Here you will get for S2O3 2 minus. Whenever, anytime, some of them are doing mistake that if you are having charge, so which means that you have to write on the, that is after that equal to, you have to write the charge here. Okay, see here, this will be the question, right? In S2O3 2 minus, here this minus 2 must be written like this. Okay, so I saw from your assignment, some of them are writing this minus 2 before this equal to, and here you are writing 0. Okay, so if in a question, if it have a charge like this, that you have to write after that equal to symbol instead of 0. Okay, see now this S2O3 2 minus, in this sulfur will have the oxidation state of plus 2. Again, if we calculate for this S4O6 2 minus, you will get X will be equal to 5 by 2. That is nothing but simply 2.5. You will get a decimal oxidation state. See, that is approximately equal to 3 electron. Okay, the 2.5. We all know when a number exists, after decimal you are having a number equal to 5 or more than 5 means then we have to approximate it to 1, right? So which means here 2.5, that will be rounded off to 3. Approximately we have to consider like this. So now if we check for the oxidation reduction half reaction, here what happened from plus 2 to plus 3, it get increases. Okay, so increases by 1 electron, that is 0.5, so approximately 1 electron. So now that is said to be an oxidation half reaction, and in the next iodine, in the elementary state 0. So in the product side we are having sodium iodide. In that iodine will get reduces from I to I minus 1, I2, that is iodine to iodine in minus 1 oxidation state, that is the reduction reaction. See, after the half reaction, we have to check for the electron balancing also. See here, if we check for this first S2O3 2 minus, the sulfur in the reactant side 2, whereas in the product side only product side 4. So which means we have to multiply the reactant by 2 so that the sulfur gets balanced. So that only we did in this equation 3. Okay, so if you multiply this equation 1 by 2, that is in the sulfur, here what happened, that 2 S2O3 2 minus gives S4O6 2 minus plus 2 electron, because we have multiplied the sulfur by 2, so that we are getting that 1 electron into 2, so which means we are having 2 electron. And in the second equation also the same, I2, whereas in the product side only only 1 iodine, so that we have to multiply it with 2, so which means we get 2 iodine. So the gain of electron is 1, there will be 1 electron difference. So when it multiplied by 2, so it will become 2 electrons. So which means that also gets balanced. So after that we have to write the two separate half reaction and then we have to balance it. So after that the two electron gets cancelled because they both are same. So finally we get the balanced equation as 2S2O3 2 minus plus I2, that gives the product S4O6 2 minus plus 2 I minus. Okay. See, individually we have to check for their balancing also. Okay. So now we'll move on to the fourth problem. Here in the question they gave in acid medium. We all know, so acid medium means we have to add H plus in the reactant side. In the product side, there will be the addition of water molecule, right? See now, we first go for the half reaction. That is simply, we have to check the oxidation, which will be the oxidation, which will be the reduction reaction. See here, the zinc present in the elementary state. So their oxidation state will be equal to 0. So now that leads to give Zn2 plus. So from here what happens from 0 to 2 plus? The oxidation number gets increases. So which means this is said to be an oxidation reaction, right? So now we have to check for the electron also. So there will be the increase of 2 electron. Okay, that is loss of 2 electron. And again we have to check for the second half reaction also, that is simply reduction. Here what happened from plus 5 to plus 2, there will be the gain of 3 electron. So that it is a reduction reaction, reduction half reaction. So now here what happened in the first equation, there will be the loss of 2 electron. So that only I have written here. Now in the second equation, 3 electron, there will be gain of 3 electron. So gain of 3 electron, and in the question they gave acid medium. We all know acid medium means H plus in the reactant side and water in the product side. That only I have written here. After that you have to check for their balancing also. Here you see 4 hydrogen. That is, if we add H2O, we have to check for their balancing also. So now oxygen here will be 1 and here so 1. So to balance it, we have to multiply this water with 2. So which means 2 into 2, 4 hydrogen in the product side. So reactant side also 4 hydrogen. So that gets balanced. So we have to check for the oxygen also. Here 2 hydrogen plus 1, sorry 2 oxygen plus 1 oxygen, totally 3 oxygen. So both the side oxygen also gets balanced, right? So now we have to check for this third equation and fourth equation for balancing. See now here the third equation multiplied by 3, because both the side we are having a different range of electron. So we have to write it in common form for our simplification. So one side we are having 2 electron and another side we are having 3 electron. So to make it common, we have to multiply it with the suitable number to get a common number. So which means 2 multiplied by 3 will get 6 and 3 multiplied by 2 means we get 6. So now we are having this equation 5 and equation 6. After multiplying the respective number, so the final equation will be that 6 electron gets cancelled. So the last equation will be 3 zinc plus 2 NO3 minus plus 8 H plus, that leads to give Zn2 plus and 2 NO plus 4 H2O. Okay, so this will be the balanced equation, right? So kindly practice all those problems. Okay, both oxidation and ion electron method, don't confuse with both, they are very easier one. Okay, when you get a better practice. practice. Okay. Thank you all.